Rub the rim of a margarita glass with a slice of lime. Then dip the rim into a mixture of Tajin spice and sugar and set the glass aside. Add half a cup of ice to a blender. Then pour in 1.5 ounces of tequila, 1/4 ounce of Cointreau, 2 ounces of fresh watermelon juice, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 2 dashes of hot sauce, and a pinch of sea salt. Now blend the cocktail until smooth. Pour into your margarita glass and garnish with a pickled watermelon rind. And you're ready to enjoy the spicy watermelon margarita, created and brought to you by MartiniDiva.com. Cheers, my dears.